What are the risks of being a plumber? Here look at some of the most common hazard plumber face. Number 1, working at high height. The most common case of workplace accident is working at higher highest. Number 2, confined space. Number 3, eye injuries. Number 4, hearing loss. Number 5, extreme temperature injuries. Number 6, head tool injuries. What PP does plumber need? Personal protection equipment consideration for plumber should include boots, gloves, and warp around eye protection as a minimum, along with ear protection when using power tools. What is risk assessment checklist? Risk assessment checklist can be powerful tool for controlling and mitigating workplace risk as well as a major part of managing the health and safety of your business. For in order to achieve this, you must carefully consider all of the factors that may cause harm to your workforce. Why do you create a risk assessment? Number 1, identify the hazard. In order to identify hazard, you need to understand the difference between hazard and risk. Number 2, decide who might he harm and how. Number 3, the risk and decide on control measure. Number 4, record your finding. Number 5, review your assessment and up to date and when necessary. What risk assessment example? What is risk assessment as a risk assessment? Risk assessment is a term used to describe the overall process or method where you identify hazard and risk factors that have the potential to cause harm. Hazard identification and the risk associated with that hazard, risk analysis and risk evaluation. What is risk assessment tool? Risk assessment is a term used to describe the overall process or method where you identify hazard and risk factors that have the potential to cause harm. Hazard identification, analyze and the risk associated with the hazard, risk and risk. What type of questions are required in a risk assessment? Identify hazard and risk factors that have the potential to cause harm. Hazard identification, analyze and the risk associated with that hazard, risk and risk. Determine way to eliminate the hazard or control the risk when the hazard cannot be eliminated. Risk control.